Okay, go to file and click the settings, and after we need to click stream and click Twitch or YouTube, whatever you want. I recommend that Twitch for services, and use stream key, and you can see the server. You can see you can do as per recommended on your region, and take the ignore stream service settings recommended, apply and give OK, and come to output. The audio track 1 and video track is 2 is for saving purpose, and video encoder is NVIDIA for better result. And come to encoder settings, the rate control will be CBR, and the bitrate will be maybe 8000 to 10,000 for better performance and quality, and the keyframe will be 2 seconds, and for preset will be, you can choose P4 or P5 or P6, depends on your PC performance, and tuning will be high quality, and 2 pulses, profile will be high, and the frame will be 2, and apply and click OK. After that, go to audio and the sample rate 48. Then desktop audio will be default or your recommended, and the mic, that's microphone, and you can give apply and give OK, and come to video. In this base resolution, depends on your PC, you can put the resolution and output also. Better you can go next version. You not use this version, can go next version. And downscale will be yes, this one, sharpen scaling 36 sample it will give, and FPS is 60, and go to advanced, it's normal, and director 3D 11, NVIDIA 12, and the color space 709, and 300 to 1000, and click apply and OK. So these are the best recommended OBS. So and also you can check the tracker. So these are highly best recommended OBS. So do these settings and check it.